Hello, today I'm in Subaru Legacy. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the voice assistant activation button. Press it and then say command. The commands are available on the internet or in the original car manual. Press this button and take a look at the screen display. Radio. Enter radio. Unfortunately, this assistant is not the best to use because the microphone, I think, is not the best condition. To cancel the voice assistant, press this button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.